verbal analogy. So let us see what's an analogy. The questions, this type of questions asked in all competitive exams, bank exams, IBPS, RRB, SSC. These type of questions appear in all the competitive examinations. So this is an important part in a competitive examination. So in this video I'll give you an idea about these analogies questions. So what are these questions? How to answer these questions? Let us see in this video. So what's an analogy? Analogy generally it means it's a comparison between one thing and another. It's a comparison. Analogy is a comparison. So between two things that though different from one another share certain similarities. So I have given you example here. Finger is to hand, petal is to flower. So this is analogy. So in this, first you have to see the relationship between finger and hand. If you find out the relationship between the finger and hand, you can answer petal is to flower. Okay. So when you are working with analogies, you have to form a logical relationship between comparison. What is being compared? So in this case, the logical relationship is that a finger is a part of hand, just as petal is a part of flower. So part whole is the concept here. Part to whole. Finger is a part of hand, petal is part of flower. So this is the logical relationship. So in this type of question, analogy question, you have to identify the pair which exhibits the same relationship as the question pair. In the examination, a question pair is given, so you have to identify the relationship between the two words or pair, the question pair. If you can identify the relationship between the question pair, you can easily select answer pair. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so for this, commonly there are 7 types of analogies we see. Okay, in verbal analogies. First one, function. Second, degree. Lack, characteristic. Type or kind. Part to whole. Definition. So these are 7 types of analogies we see in our examination. So if you know these 7 types of analogies, we can answer the questions very easily in the competitive examinations, right? Let us see what are these analogies with some examples. Okay, so first type of analogy is function. So example is teacher, educate. This is a question pair. And author is to write. Teacher, what does he do? Teacher educate. So that is the relationship. So teacher's function, what is his function? Teacher's function is to educate. So author's function is to write. So if you find out the logical relationship between this question pair, you can answer this easily. Next type is degree. That is gripping, interesting, vital, important. Something gripping is very interesting, just as something vital is important. As something vital is very important. So third type of analogy is lack. Here it lacks something. See, skeptical belief. Here lack of belief is skeptical. That means doubtful. Doubtful, skeptical. Here belief, lack of belief is skeptical. Here shelter, lack of shelter is homeless. If you don't have any shelter, you are called homeless. So here lack, this model is a lack model. Okay, so someone skeptical lacks belief, just as someone homeless lacks shelter. Next type is characteristic. So rainforest, wet. Rainforest characteristic is wet. Rainforests are wet. That is that its characteristic, right? So deserts are dry. So a characteristic of a rainforest is that it is wet, just as desert is dry. Okay, another is type or kind analogy. Chair, furniture, car, vehicle. Very simple. So a chair is a type of furniture, just as a car is a type of vehicle. So next model is part 2, whole. Scene, play. Hypothesis, experiment. Scene is part of a play, just as a hypothesis is a part of an experiment. This is part, this is whole, this is part, this is whole. So scene is part of the play. We see so many scenes in the play: scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, like that. So play is whole, scene is part. So here in experiment, hypothesis is a part, this is whole. So this is a logical relationship you have to identify. So next model is definition. Brief, lengthy. Sorrow, joy. Okay, so brief is the opposite of lengthy, just as sorrow is the opposite of joy. Choose a pair of words that best match the relationship of the original pair. Here I am giving you example questions. So you have to find out the answer, right? So question, let us read question pair. Question pair is furious, angry. So options are slow, deliberate. Second option, exuberant, happy. Third option, methodical, plodding. So let us analyze the options. First let us understand the question pair. Furious, angry, both are synonyms, both meaning they have similar meanings. So we have to find out similar. Slow, deliberate is not correct option. Second answer, exuberant, happy. Exuberant means cheerful, happy. So cheerful, happy is the correct answer. Both are synonyms, similar meanings. But third answer, let's see, methodical. Methodical is means process. Plodding means slow. So it's not at all suitable. So answer is 2, exuberant, happy. Let us go to second question. Advertisement, publicize. So first we have to understand that advertisement is given to publicize. What is publicize? Publicize means it gives an information about a product or a brand or something. It gives an information about a product or brand. So what do? You advertise to publicize, right? So yeah, that function, advertisement function, is to publicize. So let us see options. Drama, entertain. So drama's function is to entertain. So that is the answer. First answer. First option is the correct answer. So let us see second, third also. Comedy, depress. Those are completely antonyms. Comedy doesn't make us depressed. Experiment, science. Those also doesn't match with the question pair. So next question. Football, sport. So football, sport. Football is a sport. First option, photography, camera, internet, information, crocodile, reptile. Answer is crocodile is a reptile. As football is a sport, crocodile is a reptile. Okay. So next model. Tire, motorcycle. Here, this is what kind of analogy is this? This is part whole. Already we have learnt it in previous video, previous slide, that part to whole. Part is tire, whole is motorcycle. So tire is a part of motorcycle. So let us, based on this, see the answers, options. Cells, prison. Okay. So in the prison we see so many cells. It's a part of prison. So answer is 1. Okay. Building, flats, the should closet, wardrobe, both are same meaning. Okay. So answer is 1. Next, fifth question. Awake, asleep. So circulate, rotate, professional, amateur, shameless, shameful. So let us try to analyze the question pair. Awake, asleep. Both are opposite words. Awake, asleep. Antonyms. So in this we find shameless, shameful. Both are opposite. So this is the correct pair to choose. So let's go to next slide. North, south. So north, south are quite opposite. So same, black, white is correct answer here. Very simple. Next, divide, unite. So based on this we can answer split, apart, fission, fusion, marriage, divorce. So fission, fusion is the correct answer. Fission is divide, fusion is unite. So it gives same meaning. Next, doubt, faith. Options: atheist, religion, impolite, courteous, skeptic, pious. So answer is atheist, religion. Okay. So next, ninth question. Flow, river. So river flows. Stagnate. There is a question mark. You have to put the correct answer there. Stagnate. That means water is stored. See option A, B, C. A, stream. Stream means water flows. Canal. In canal also water flows. Pool. Water is stagnated. So answer is C. Right. 10th. College. Student. Okay. Student goes to college. College have students. The main purpose is education of the students. So hospital. Hospital is to A, nurse, doctor, patient. The main person is patient here. Patients take treatment in the hospital. Okay. Right. City is to state. As state is to. So in the state we see we have cities. State is within the country. So answer is B. 12th question. Leaf is to tree. As petal is to. This is part whole model. So answer is flower. So the 11th question, 12th question is another model. 9th, 10th is another model. So these are the different models we see in our examinations. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. This part, analogy part, is very important in our competitive examinations, bank, RRB, SSC examinations. So you have to prepare it very well, read some more examples, practice. The more you practice, the more you become perfect. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.